Hi, my name is Dennis Casa. I'm from Davao City, Philippines, but you can call me Dens. I've been in the SEO industry since 2007. I started as a link builder, and throughout the year, I'm a self-taught SEO personnel. I taught myself by watching videos, reading articles, had a hands-on experience through my uh, previous clients where I did some on-page and off-page optimizations specifically for the Australian client that I had before back in 2012, where I was an SEO manager and managed 4 to 5 personnel, where we are working on a SEO, an escort website based in Australia, which is, I think it was privateclose.com.au. Then my biggest strength for now would be the local SEO side. And since in my previous company, I was a local SEO manager and handled 6 to 7 direct reports where I make sure that they deliver the outstanding service that the clients deserve. Um, my commitment to delivering results is further exemplified by my structured 8-step SEO process, which I've developed and honed throughout the years. This process ensures a systematic and data-driven approach to SEO, guaranteeing the best possible outcomes for your projects. The eight steps are website analysis, client requirements, keyword research, content writing, website optimization, submission of website, link building, and reporting. So I am excited about the opportunity to contribute my extensive experience and expertise to the growth of success of your company. By hiring me, you will be bringing on board a dedicated professional who is not only well versed in SEO domain but also passionate about achieving measurable results. Thank you.